Hello everyone, it's me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Hope everyone is doing well. As you know, the situation is not good, so we should take care of ourselves. Don't step out of our house until and unless it's needed. Take care of your elders and eat healthy and keep watching my channel. So if you're craving for something delicious or any street style food, share with me in the comment section. I will try to make a video on it. As you know, I make some quick and easy recipes in this channel, and if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'm very much active over there. I share some quick and easy tips of cooking. Let's start our today's video. I'm going to show how to make paneer fried rice very easily and quickly at home. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe.
Here I took some water in a pan, added some salt, bay leaves and oil, and once it come to roll boil, I have added rice. I have soaked the rice for 15 minutes. We'll cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until our rice get ready. The boiling time depends upon the type of rice you're using. For my rice it takes 10 minutes or 12 minutes to prepare. Now drain the water and keep it aside. In a pan, added some oil and added the cubes of paneer and we'll fry until it get light red in color or yellow you can say. Once it gets fried, take it out in a plate. In the same oil, or you can use different oil, add some jeera or cumin seeds, some cinnamon seeds or darchini, some javitri and nutmegs. These are optional, you can totally skip it. It just give a nice aroma. Some black pepper, some cloves and some cardamom or ilachi. Now we need to saute our whole spices very nicely. It will give a nice aroma to our dish. Added some onion, medium size chopped. You can chop it as you like. Some ginger garlic paste, give it a mix. Some chopped tomatoes. We'll cook the tomatoes first because we want this gravy consistency from it. Once it gets cooked, add your favorite vegetables. Here I am dropping some carrots, capsicum, beans. If you want, you can add some potatoes or any other seasonal vegetables of your choice. Some slitted green chilies because we all like spices. Give it a mix. Cook the veggies well. Take as much time it needed to get cooked. We don't want to get overcooked, just little bit cooked. Add the spices, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, some garam masala powder. You can totally skip garam masala powder if you want. Now we are going to cook and fry the spices with our veggies. Trust me, it will give a very nice taste. Add some salt. Add the salt at last. After 2 to 3 minutes, add our cooked rice to it. Gently mix it with the veggies. Try not to break the rice grains. Once it gets mixed, bring the fried paneers and drop it in the rice. Add some ghee on the top. Cover and cook for 2 minutes in low flame. After 2 minutes, sprinkle some scrambled paneer. Just it will make it look nice. Our paneer fried rice are ready to be served. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and for more such recipe, please subscribe to my channel.